Hello, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Live, where I do the daily question raw and uncut. So we have an easy today. It's called divide array into equal pairs. So we have an integer array nums. So list int, and it has 2 times n integers, and n is 500. Well, it's an easy question, so usually it is very lenient. So you need to divide nums into n pairs, such that each element belongs to exactly one pair, so it is a partition, and the elements present in a pair are equal. Right. So I think pair means that it has 2 elements, so I think hence the 2 times n. So return true if we can do it, otherwise false. So let's look at the example, but I think I understand what the question asks. So there are 6 elements. We have to divide into 3 pairs, and so if we can divide it into a bunch of pairs where like both of the elements are equal, we return true. So we can just use counter for this one. So from collections, port counter. So yeah, we can do this in one line actually. So yeah, return counter. So nums. I think we want the values, right? Yeah, so values. We have to check if all. I think Python has a method called or, and it checks whether, like, if you have an iterable, it checks whether all the items are true, I think. So if we do like a list comprehension here, so for count in that, I think we can do something like this. So if obviously if the number is divided by 2, like if the count of that number is divided by 2, and just like we can make like however many pairs, right? But like we don't have one number that's like that can't match with any other number. So I think this works. Oh, what did I do wrong? Or count. I'm just going to. Yeah, it should be the values. I'm just going to print this. See what this is. It should be a. I did something stupid. Yeah, so we want a Boolean value. If I do mod 2, like all of them would be 0, which actually corresponds to the false. Like which corresponds to like false in Python. So yeah. Yeah, usually one-liners are maybe a tiny bit slower, but it does the job. It doesn't really matter, like the time complex, like the actual runtime. And yeah, it's a very easy problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.